Hey everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. I purchased some items from ULTA online. I was on their website because I needed a couple of things, and it just turned into a whole slew of things that I purchased. Everything from makeup to skincare to all kind of little stuff. So if you're interested in what I bought, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. I got some things. Here's the box. I've already got it open. I have been on a hunt to get some new skincare things. I'm always trying to find some skincare items that works good for my skin. I already have a skincare video, and I will link it up here so you can go back and look at that. And I'm always looking for more things to purchase to put in my skincare routine, or to even replace some things, because sometimes you'll find things that work better than the things that you're using. So this right here is the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Face Lotion. It's a small bottle, but it's 3 ounces. That's pretty good. I saw this on the website and I was like, oh, I want to try that out. I have used some Shea Moisture things more so for my hair, and they have a lot of different things like face masks and things of that nature. So I like those things. Well, I liked some of those things. So I wanted to try out this lotion, and my skin and my hair does like coconut oil, and it's 100% coconut oil, and it has coconut milk in it as well. So I really like Shea Moisture because they find a way to incorporate shea butter into all of their products, and I love shea butter. I love raw shea butter, and I like to put shea butter in things. So let me see. I'm gonna pump it out. Has a bit of a thick consistency. Has a very light smell, but nothing too loud. It does have a scent, but it's nothing like I said, nothing too loud. Feels very nice and smooth. I like it. I also purchased the 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer with coconut milk and Acai Senegal. It says it's to soften and restore skin. This right here is a 2-ounce container. There's the container right there. Again, it has the same smell as the lotion, but like I said, it's not too loud. It has a very thick consistency. Feels very smooth on the skin. It's called the priming moisturizer. So it said it smooth a small amount in circular motions over face and neck after cleansing. Skin feels softer with a healthy looking glow. Wear along or under makeup. I can already tell that it absorbs in your skin really good, because I don't feel it anymore. It's like gone. So we'll see how that works out. I ordered some oldies but some goodies. I ordered the Hydro Boost Water Gel by Neutrogena. It says boost hydrations for smooth, supple skin all day. I used to wear this stuff all the time. I love it. I actually ordered 3 of them. I had stopped using it because I had found something else, but I do miss it. I like to wear it in the summer, in the hot months, because it gives you the hydration you need without your skin feel like it's being over moisturized to the point where, you know, you'll start to sweat and things of that nature. Sometimes you'll find moisturizers that just sit on the skin, which I think is better not to sit on the skin, but to give you that extra moisturization. Is that a word, moisturization? The extra moisturization you need, which I think is better for the winter months. When it gets really, really hot, you need to find something that can moisturize your skin that doesn't necessarily sit on the skin to the point where you get hot and you start to sweat and all those things. And I think this right here is excellent for that. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but it lasts a long time. At least for me it did. They give you 1.7 ounces. And it contains hyaluronic acid, which is excellent for your skin. So I am looking forward to that. It says apply evenly to the face and neck after cleansing. I'm really looking forward to that. Ooh. It has like a blue hue to it, and it smells really, really fresh. Okay, what's next? Okay, y'all, I ordered 3 facial masks. I love facial masks, but I've never had this kind before. This is the Ulta Beauty Smart Skincare Solution Skin Energizing Bubbling Sheet Mask. It said it's actually a sheet mask that you put on that will start to bubble as it starts to work. And it says energizing oxygen bubbles, brightening papaya extract, and hydrating hyaluronic acid. That hyaluronic acid is, again, it's really good for your skin. So here they are right here. Here are the masks. And if you want me to do a video, maybe a get to know me video or a talking video where I use this mask, let me know down in the comments. I see those are popular on YouTube, and I would just put on the mask and start talking so you can see how the mask works. It wants you to it says they want you to wear it for 10 to 15 minutes. So I can't wait to use those. Next, I purchased 3 bars of soap by Ulta Beauty. One is a detoxifying charcoal bar. One is a energizing wild mint bar. And one is a brightening red clay bar. I was reading the reviews on them, and they were okay. I just wanted to try them out because I'm trying to pick up a beauty regimen for my body. I do exfoliate and all of those things, but I want to try out some different soaps to see what works better with my skin, because I can tell when my skin likes something, like I can tell when my face likes something. So I'm on the hunt for that type of body soap that my skin likes. So I want to try these out. So we're gonna see. I really am excited about trying the detoxifying charcoal bar. I like to use like charcoal on my face and things of that nature, so yeah, we'll see. So I am coming out of skincare, going into makeup, and this next item is familiar to most, and I haven't had this since it first came out, and I used it up. And when I seen it, I said I'm gonna go ahead and get it, because I have been trying to find something that was a little bit cheaper, but things that are cheaper are not always things that works best on your skin according to what you need. So for my makeup regimen, I use different types of concealers, but this right here, this is Bay,
and I'm so sorry. I was like, I'm so sorry, babe, I'm so sorry I left you like that. But for those of you who don't know, the Tarte Shea Tape, y'all, if you haven't tried it, get it. It's, like I said, a little bit on the expensive side, but my theory is sometime in order to take care of certain issues with your skin, you have to spend a little bit more coin. So yeah, this is good. And I got it in the color, it's in the color Deep. Yep, got it in the color Deep. I used it a couple of times already and put it back in the box for this, for this review. So I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait. Okay, next I got some other concealers. I just wanted to see what the hype was all about. And this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. Here it is right here. I got 3 of them. And I got C13, C14, and C15. And just looking at them, I have not opened them up. You know, sometimes packaging can be deceiving. It looks one way when you look through the packaging. When you open it up, it's a whole nother color. But I believe C13 is a good highlight for me. C14 may be a good maybe close to my skin complexion, and C15, I wouldn't necessarily call it a good contour, but that's what I would try to use it for. I got 3 of them because I was ordering them online and I couldn't tell what was best for me, and they had the models and everything on there for you to kind of see possibly what works for you. So I just got 3 of them because I figured that C14 was some kind of way gonna work with me, whether it was a highlighter or or if it was gonna be my skin complexion. So I just ordered the 2 around them, and I don't know, I got to work with these and see what what they all good for and how they work together. I may have to take 1 or 2 of them back if they don't work for me, so we'll see. Okay, the next item I got was the Ulta Beauty Mineral Blush right here. This is in the color Stranger. It looked pretty online. It looks pretty here, but I'll switch my stuff around. Like if I see something, I'll be like, ooh, that's like, I look at this and I see it like a pretty transition color. I'll put this on my ass as a transition color, but I'm gonna try to use it as a blush first to see how it works. I'm not a big blush user per se, but I'm gonna start trying to come out of from under my little tent and start trying to experiment with some things. This right here, this is the Ulta Beauty Baked Bronzer, and it's a wet dry buildable radiance. That was already open, the blush. Let me see how this, let me open the bronzer and see how the bronzer looks. This ain't a bronzer for me. I could probably actually use this for a highlight. Whoa. Oh, I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, but it doesn't look dark enough to be a bronzer for me. When I looked at it, I kind of figured, So then I was like, well, let me pick something else out. Let me pick another bronzer out, just in case. Y'all, I picked out the Ulta Beauty bronzer, and it says glowing radiant finish. And just looking at it, it looked like it would work. But when I say this is busted the house, it's it's all broke up and loose. It's, can you hear that? Yeah, that's the bronzer all in here, going back real fast. So I saw this in my box and I was like, I didn't order that. I wouldn't order anything like that. And I forgot with my purchase I got a free gift. And y'all, when I opened it, I did open this up. When I opened this up and swatched it, I was like, what? This is the Makeup Revolution Love Contours All palette. Let me swatch this for y'all real quick. I was shook. I was just like, I'm kind of far from the camera, but I'll try to do some swatches up close if it doesn't come out on camera. Okay, can y'all see that? Oh, I forgot to do the middle one. I forgot to do the heart. Let me see. It says Makeup Pigment and Highlighter Palette. So I think the middle pink one is meant to be a highlighter. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah. I'm gonna do some things with that. I can make a pretty ad look with this. So stay tuned for that. So that's it. That's my haul, my makeup and skincare items. As we go along, I'll give you all updates on the items as I use them. And I just want to thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that notification bell if you want to be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.